Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. After that, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select setting and privacy. Scroll down. You can see here blocked section. Tap on it. You will see a list of accounts you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on unblock. Method 2 is, if you remember the person you have blocked, you can go directly to their profile. In their profile you will see a blue unblock button. Tap it. Tap unblock again to confirm. When you unblock someone, they will be able to see your profile and interact with your content again. If you block and then unblock someone, you may need to wait a short period before you can block them again. Please note that if you have blocked someone, they will not receive a notification that they've been unblocked. Be able to see your profile and interact with your content based on your privacy setting. Always consider your privacy and safety when you interact with social media platform. That's it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.